Hey y'all, hey, how is everybody doing? I'm getting ready to put together a sweet pea salad or an English pea salad. And I have my English peas here, 2 cans, and these are the peas that I'm using. 2 cans of those, and I have them in the bowl. They have drained and in the bowl. Right here, I have 4 boiled eggs, and I have mashed them with this fork here. And my seasoning is right here that I have used, and it is a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder. Let's see. What else do I have in here? Onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Yeah, right. Here it is. Couldn't think right then. Okay, so I am going to take that and I'm going to put it in the bowl here. Gonna put it all in the bowl. Okay. All right. And I have red onions, and this is about a fourth of a cup of red onions going in. Red onions, and I have 2 stalks of green onions going in that I've chopped. I have a cup of cheese, and this is mild cheddar and Colby Jack mixed. And I have these kind of diced up, and they're going in. I'm going to put, probably going to start off with a fourth a cup of, I like the sweet salad cubes. I'll put in there. I'm using blue plate. I'll start off with maybe 1 tablespoon because I don't want it soupy. And probably a teaspoon, I'm going to use Dijon mustard. And I'm going to kind of fold it all in like so. Don't want to mash up the peas, so I'm going to gently fold it in. When I get everything in, then I'll come right back and show you what it's all looking like.